Hey guys, and welcome to Clean Beauty and Wellness. I'm your girl Kira, aka a rabbit, aka the Bunny Meister. Yes. Anyway, so I wanted to introduce you to our new segment as we're revamping everything and doing our YouTube page over. I wanted to start adding new segments on to the page, and one of the new segments that I added on due to my very, I would say right now, long career in skincare is let's talk skincare. Get it? Let's talk skincare. But anywho, so this is our new segment, and I just wanted to introduce it. The topics that we're going to go over is hyperpigmentation. What are the best products, natural or not? How to hydrate better. Should you go with cosmetic surgery? All the things that we have questions about, 10 years being an esthetician, holistic therapist, right now yoga instructor. You guys know that, so hit one of the videos below down there. And hit an artist just recently, but still working on that and doing my thing. But this is Let's Talk Skincare. Remember, gotta add that. And I just wanted to introduce it. So what I'm going to do is start off basically what I use on a daily basis. I use raw African black soap. I use shea butter, raw shea butter. I use witch hazel as a toner. And twice a week I use exfoliation, either a lemon scrub or our activated charcoal scrub that we make here. You can also purchase that on our Facebook page, Clean Beauty and Wellness, on our shop. And yeah, that's my routine. I tend to go the natural way because I feel that especially melanated skin reacts better to the natural ingredients in those particular products. Shea butter is a SPF, reduces acne, the hyperpigmentation, the dark spots. Oh, I can't wait until we touch on that. I know a lot of us have it. How do we get rid of it? It's this big discussion about it, and we'll touch back. So make sure you always stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Check in from here now, like and subscribe. So yeah, that's my regimen: raw black soap, witch hazel as toner or rose water. I also like some other things, and I'll put. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that below. Follow us on social media, Instagram at _ Clean Beauty Movements, and on Facebook at Clean Beauty and Wellness. And check out for us as we continue to revamp. I'm doing my thing. I'm trying to redo this whole YouTube page. More content. To show you what I've been doing. Yeah, all the people that come to my yoga class, Kissy Kissy, see Friday, Body Positive Yoga at 6 p.m. every Friday at Fairview Community Center in Camden, New Jersey. Check it out. And yeah, like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more Let's Talk Skincare. You got it. You did it. Kisses. Bye.